What's going on, guys? We're in here inside the Mandalay Bay Convention Center.
It's the Lowrider Blvd, and if you gonna come with it, then you coming hard. Yeah, and you know that is the spot. Hitting switches, watch the 6-4 drop. It's the Lowrider Blvd, and if you gonna come with it, then you coming hard. Yeah, and you know that is the spot. Hitting switches, watch the 6-4 drop.
What's going on, guys? We're in here inside the Mandalay Bay Convention Center for the original Lowrider Super Show, a Lowrider show at a casino. It's up there.
I'm already following you.
Oh, hell yeah, bro.
Right here. It's Granado _RO.
Yeah, appreciate it, bro.
Yes, sir. So if you get that video,
yeah,
when you can, please.
I partnered up with Cholo and Lolo to get you guys a cool deal. This is Manny the Doll, Cholo and Lolo. No need for no little elf on a shelf watching your gifts. Now you got Manny to watch your back. Manny will bring you tons of laughs for the up and coming holidays. When you squeeze him, he speaks. Check it out.
That's what's up. We go low and we go slow, homie.
This fool wishes you Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, fool.
He invites you to tacos.
What's up, homie? Let's get some tacos.
And he likes tamales.
Where the tamales at, fool?
Manny will bring you tons of laughs for the up and coming holidays. They also got cool keychains so you can take them everywhere. They got fun stickers, and they also got air fresheners so you can keep your ride smelling good. If you use my promo code at checkout, Lowrider Blvd, promo code Lowrider Blvd, that's Lowrider BLVD, you'll receive the coloring book for free. And they're also going to hook you up with some extra goodies in your package. The book is a cool, fun story about Manny and his friends, and you'll get to see what happens on the day before Christmas. Go to cholonalolo.com and use my promo code at checkout to receive some extra cool goodies. I'll have the link in the description. You guys can start a new cool tradition with your family. Make sure you guys follow them at Cholo on the Lolo on Instagram and Twitter. And if you tag them, they'll feature you on their pages. Don't forget, link is on the description to pick up your Manny the Doll. Keep in mind, I do get a small commission fee for this, so I appreciate your support. Now let's get back to the car show.
What's up? Merry Christmas, fool!
You're good, bro. What up, what up?
What's up, brother?
What's up, man?
Good, man. Everything's good.
All right, all right.
How you doing?
Good, good, man.
Another show.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
What's up, what's up?
How you doing?
All right. What's up, bro? What's up, bro?
What's up, dog? How you doing, there, sir?
All right. How you
Good?
been? All right. Huge shout out to Original Lowrider and Sugar Mill Studios for hooking me up with this media pass and backstage pass. A lot of footage for you guys backstage with Be Real and all the cars up here at the Original Lowrider Super Show, Mandalay Bay, Las Vegas, Nevada 2023. So make sure you guys check out all the footage. Like, subscribe, drop me a comment. If you're already subscribed, turn on that notification bell so you guys don't miss any of the videos. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. It's free. Thanks for watching another Lowrider Blvd video. This was the original Lowrider Super Show move-in on Friday at the Mandalay Bay Convention Center in Las Vegas. We'll be here a little bit later for the Hall of Fame Awards. Make sure you guys check out that next video. And tomorrow, Saturday, November 4th, we'll be here for the original Lowrider Super Show. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, drop me a comment. Let me know where you guys are watching from. If you're already subscribed, make sure you turn on that notification bell. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. It's free to subscribe, so go ahead and do that. Thanks for watching another Lowrider Blvd video. See you guys next time.